In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove Microsoft Edge browser from Windows 11 computer. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Before uninstall Microsoft Edge from Windows 11, you have to make sure you install a second web browser. For me, I'm going with Google Chrome. Once you install second browser, then click on your Windows key and search for settings. Now click on apps and then choose default apps. Now on the search field, you have to search for Chrome and tap on it. Now you have to make sure all of these browsers set to Google Chrome. Then you have to open the web browser and search for Wise Uninstaller. Now you have to open the first official website and click on pre-download. Then Wise Uninstaller will download on your computer. Once the download process is finished, then double click on it to install it on your computer. Now you have to check mark on I accept the agreement and click on install. Now wait for a few seconds. Once the installation process is finished, then click on finish button. Now you have to open Wise Uninstaller and click on desktop app and search for Microsoft Edge. Once you find it, then click on it. Then click on force uninstall. Then this can probably appear on your screen and click on yes. Again, this can probably appear on your screen and click on remove. Now hit OK. Then Microsoft Edge will successfully uninstall from Windows 11 computer.